Are you struggling to tackle your debt? You're not alone. Two of the most popular strategies, the Snowball and Avalanche methods, promise to help. But which one actually works best? Let's break it down and help you decide the smarter path to becoming debt-free, faster. Consumer debt in America has passed $17 trillion, with the average household carrying over $7,000 in credit card debt alone. With high interest rates and multiple monthly payments, it's no wonder many people feel overwhelmed. Choosing the right payoff strategy can save you thousands and shorten your journey to financial freedom. The Snowball Method focuses on paying off your smallest balance first, while making minimum payments on the rest. As you eliminate each small debt, you gain momentum, just like a snowball rolling downhill. Example: Credit Card 1, $500 at 15% APR. Credit Card 2, $2,000 at 22% APR. Credit Card 3, $5,000 at 18% APR. You'd start by aggressively paying off the $500 debt first, regardless of interest rate. Why it works. Psychological wins. You see progress faster, which motivates you to keep going. The Avalanche Method takes a more mathematical approach. It targets your debt with the highest interest rate first, saving you the most money in the long run. Same example. You'd start with the $2,000 credit card at 22% APR, even though it's not the smallest balance. Why it works. You reduce how much interest you pay over time. This method is financially optimal but can feel slower emotionally. So which is better? Motivation, Snowball, high, quick wins. Avalanche, slower. Total interest, Snowball, higher, Avalanche, lower. Time to complete, Snowball, slightly longer, Avalanche, slightly shorter. Emotional boost, Snowball, strong, Avalanche, less frequent. Verdict. If you're emotionally driven, Snowball might keep you going. If you're disciplined and focused on saving, Avalanche is your best friend. Here's the truth. The best method is the one you'll stick with. If small wins help you stay consistent, use the Snowball. If you're laser-focused on cutting interest, go Avalanche. You can even combine both. Start with a few small wins, then shift to the highest interest debt. Try these free tools. Undebt.it visualize both methods. Every dollar budgeting to free up debt payoff cash. Mint automatic debt tracking. Whatever you do, don't stay stuck. Make a plan today and stick with it. If you're ready to destroy your debt, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Snowball or Avalanche? What's your pick?